Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. I was just trying to work out how to use this thing. Anyways, while I try to work out how to use this, I'll show you how to make brownies with mixture. Now I'm going to tell you about the ingredients you'll need to use to make your brownie. So first of all, there will be two options. But for both of them, you will need your brownie mix and your water. The first option is to have 40 milliliters of vegetable oil and 1 medium egg. The second option is to have 80 grams of butter and 2 medium eggs. I only have half the batter here, so I only have half the ingredients. So now I'm going to crack the egg. Ah! My hand! I'm bleeding! So I just went to the hospital and I had my arm checked out because I'm pretty sure I broke it. And I believe you can still see the very faint blood stains right there. So yeah, that's why you never crack an egg with your spoon. I mean your hand. Okay, so now I'm going to put all the ingredients in the bowl and mix them. Starting with the egg. We crack the egg with a spoon. We let it go in and we sit on the paper towel, never to be seen again. Next, I'm going to add the butter. And I'm just going to stir that a bit, just so that they can combine. I feel like that's good enough for now. And now I'm going to add the milliliters of water. And then I'm just going to add the brownie mix. All of it at once, or else if you don't want to, yeah, so just stir that up for a bit. Okay, and then once you've stirred it enough, get a mixer out and mix that. Now I'm going to use the mixer and mix this up properly. You might want to hold the bowl to make it stable. I'm getting it everywhere. Okay, so now I have a piece of parchment paper and a baking tin. You have two options. Either you can put parchment paper on the tin or you can grease it. So once you put the parchment paper, you'll then spread this above it, or once you grease it, you'll just also spread the mixture on the pan evenly. Put in the parchment. I will now put the mixture into it, like so. This is harder than it looks. Now that I've completed making the mixture and batter, I'll show you what ovens you can use and how long you should use it. So, for a fan-assisted oven, you should bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 160 degrees. For a normal oven, bake it at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And for gas mark, change it to 4 and for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to put in the oven. I had some weird alert that was non-existent. So now I'm going to see you when it's done. So, now that it's finished cooking and I've taken it out of the oven, I will show you how to make sure it is properly cooked with a knife. So, you stab it with your knife, and if it comes out clean, then that means it's cooked well. Okay, so now that I've cut it into pieces, I will now be testing it and I'll give an honest review. I would rate this a 4.5 out of 5 stars, and it's a really good brownie overall. Also, I did forget to mention that this was a fudge brownie, so... Well, it says on the box, so you should have noticed by now. So, now that the video is done, I'd like to thank you all for watching this whole video. And please subscribe and like the video for more content. Bye!